According to the UNEP, roughly one-third of the food produced in the world for human consumption every year, approximately 1.3 billion tons, gets lost or wasted. Nature does not have the concept of waste. Everything is regenerative. It is a constant cycle of renewal. In a linear world built by humans, waste doesn't regenerate. When we throw anything away, it goes somewhere. Where does food waste really go? It sure is not contributing to the regeneration of our lands, but rather ends in landfills. Food loss and waste also amount to a major squandering of resources including water, land, energy, labor, and capital, and needlessly produce greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a global warming and climate change, producing significant amount of methane, compounding environmental, societal, and financial constraints. If we are avoid climate changes by limiting global warming to below 1.5 Celsius and the resulting dangerous consequences, we need to mobilize partnerships upon our shared vision and a shared goal, placing people and the planet at the center as the SDG 17 puts forward. Data4Good hopes to do just that. It's a digital platform that aims to tackle food waste by increasing awareness of what is compostable, so that waste becomes regenerative and is fed back into our ecosystem, along with bringing multiple stakeholders and partners towards a common goal of ending food waste and finding beneficial use of what is being thrown away. By using Oracle Apex and Kaggle, we have built an application to detect if a certain item is compostable. Users can capture photos and upload images. The images will then be sent to AI image classification through API. Once classification is done, the result of the detected image is provided, allowing users the ease of deciding if a particular item can be thrown into a compost bin, including giving directions on how to recycle it if it's not compostable. Furthermore, hopes to build a data inventory so that future policies and actions can be implemented proactively. We used Kaggle for finding data sets on garbage classification to educate the users of our platform on what type of waste they are trying to compost. We found an existing data set with 12 different kinds of garbage classification along with image segregation of the same. If an image falls into any of the categories, it informs the users what were to dispose of waste in which particular bin and whether it is compostable, biodegradable, or non-biodegradable. The data set on Kaggle proved fruitful as a considerable amount of work was done with around 15,000 images. For training and testing, we used an AlexNet, a pre-trained data model. On the pre-trained data, we used PyTorch to aid and complete our work and learn new parameters. This is how the training data looks. If the image is identified as the cardboard, the app states its board and provides information and a prediction on its segregation. Similarly, it functions for any other detected images. The code has been taken from the Kaggle notebook to further build the Apex platform. After the image classification that's been done in Kaggle, we display the data through Oracle Apex. And each item selected will show the recommended link for cycling. The images are hosted through AWS S3 bucket. To further enhance the platform, we have devised a sustainable business model with revenue streams and cost structures. We hope to generate revenue through app subscriptions and providing the data repository to governmental and environmental bodies. In line with SDG 17, it's important that we harness the togetherness of multiple stakeholders and partners to end waste and redirect it to useful methods. We hope to partner with governmental bodies, environmental protection agencies, and researchers. It is also important that various businesses, farms, and households come together as well towards this goal of ending waste and building awareness. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Data4Good brings everyone together for the better, so we can envision a future that reduces waste. Thank you.